Hi, beautiful people. Today I'm taking you inside your sewing machine, showing you the essential parts and what they are called. At the end of this video, you will understand your machine like a true fashion design. If this is something you want to know, please watch to the end of the video, subscribe, like, and help share this video. Now look at this part. This is the part we call the hand wheel or the balance wheel. This part is called the bobbin winder. As the name implies, you already know what is used for. It's used for reading your threads, just like saying. It's called the bobbin winder. This part of the machine is a part most of us don't even know about. We don't make use of it at all. Now the next is called the spool pin. It's used in holding our threads. It's called a spool pin. That part of the machine that most of us don't know. This part of the machine is called the pressure regulator. It's called the pressure regulator. This is the bobbin winder tension disc. This is called the thread guide. It guides the thread from here down to your tension. This is called tension. This is tension. Down to your tension to your needle. This part of the machine is called the tension control. Yes, in our next video, we'll talk about the uses of most of these parts. Another important part of a sewing machine I want to talk about. See the part I'm touching. This is called the presser foot lifter. See the part I'm just touching. It's going up and down. It's presser foot lifter. Another important part of a sewing machine we don't talk about is the feed dogs. Yes, you see that this part that looks rough, this part I'm pointing with my pen, is called the feed dogs. You see this part I'm pointing with my finger, this is called the needle plate. Yes, it has markings. These markings are used for seam allowances while sewing. This marking serves as a guide. It also comes with a hole for a needle to pass through. Another essential part of a sewing machine is this part. This is called the stitch selector. This stitch selector comes with markings as seen, and this marking ranges from 1 to 5. Now it is used to select if you want a straight stitch, a zigzag, or other designs. The number selected determines how you want your stitch. This other part is called the stitch length or the width regulator. It is different from the stitch selector. This part controls the length and the width of how you want your stitch. This is called the reverse stitch. Yes, it helps you to sew backwards, allowing you to secure the end and beginning of the seam. You see this part I slide open before bringing out this. That part is called the slide plate. Yes, it's beside the needle plate we talked about earlier. Now this is called the bobbin case. This particular tool I'm showing is called the bobbin case, and this is called bobbin. We normally call this wheel. There is another part of a sewing machine that I didn't capture well. That part is called the needle clamp. Yes, I'll be inserting a picture to show you how it looks like. A needle clamp is used to secure the needle in a fixed position while sewing. It holds the needle firmly in a position while sewing. This is called the lock. This is used to lock your machine when you are done sewing. You just lock it. This part is called a pedal. It is used for pedaling a manual machine. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends.